Good morning students. Today's topic is nth term of an AP. For explaining this concept, beta, I will take one example. Now the example is, yes beta, so suppose the cost of digging a well after 1 meter cost is 150 rupees, okay, and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So for first kilometer digging the cost is 150. If we will take 2 meter, then the cost is 150 is already and 50 rupees we will add. So similarly for 3 meter, so it is 150 plus 50 already we have taken, so we will add 50 more. So it is 150 plus 50 plus 50. Similarly here, so beta 150 is the first term A, and here 150 is first, so we will write A, and 50 is common difference, okay, that is D, and here this is A, this is common difference D, this is common difference D, and similarly here also. So what we can say, first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D. So beta, what you are observing, if you want to find third term, so D is, we will take one less, okay, here we will take 3 term, so D is 2 times. If we will take 4 term, so here D is 3 times. So similarly we can find any term. If we will take 10 term, so value is A plus 1 less of this value, that is 9. So formula is A plus 9D. Any term you can find with this formula. So if you want to find 45, 50, 55, 100, 100 to any value you can find. Suppose we will take A 45. The value of A 45 is A plus 44D. So in this way we can find nth term. Nth term is A plus, here what we will write beta, 1 less that value, and here value is n, so 1 less of n is n minus 1D. So in this way this is the formula for nth term of an AP. With this formula we can find any term of the AP beta. Let's do beta one example based on this formula. Example is, find the 10th term of the AP. This is the AP and we have to find 10th term. So according to this formula, what is the formula for 10th term? 10th term is represented by A10, and A10 how we can write? A plus 9D beta. Now for finding this value we require A and D. So A and D we will find with the help of AP. In this AP, what is A? First term. A means first term, so that is 2, and D, you know how to find the D, A2 minus A1, A2 is here 7 and A1 is 2, that is 5. Now we will put the values. A10 is equal to 2 plus 9 multiply 5. Yes beta, remember one thing, to solve this value you have to remember D mass beta. First you will solve multiplication, then you will add. The 2 plus 9 5 is 45, it become 47. This is our 10th term of this AP beta. Yes beta, you are observing this formula, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In this formula there are 4 variables. One is An is nth term of that AP, and A is first term of that AP, and n is the number of term in that AP, and D is the common difference. It means in this formula we have 4 variable. Out of 4, if we have the value of 3, then we can find the 4th value. Suppose we have the value of A and D, then we can find n. If we have A, n and D, then we can find An. Similarly, if we have An, n or D, then we can find A. तो बेटा जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज 5.2, in that question one table is given. In this table बेटा one variable is missing. Okay, जैसे first part an is missing, in second part d is missing, in third part a is missing, in fourth part n is missing, and fifth part again an is missing. So with the help of this formula we have to find these missing values beta. Then the solution is, yes beta, solution of first part. In first part a is given 7, d is given 3 and n is given 8, and an is missing there. Okay beta, it means we have to find an. So simple, we will use direct formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We will put all the values and solve, then you will get 28 beta. I hope you all will complete this. Now in second part, a is given minus 18, d is missing. Okay, now n is 10 and an is 0, that is given beta. So again we will use this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we will put the values. An is 0, so we will put 0. A is minus 18, so we will put minus 18. And 10, n is 10, then minus 1 into d. D we have to find. So first we will take minus 18 to the left hand side, it becomes plus 18, and 10 minus 1 is 9d. Then you can find the value of d, it is 2 beta. Now in third part, a is missing and d is minus 3, n is 18 and an is minus 5. Again we will use the same formula and put the values. An is minus 5, a we have to find, plus 18, n is 18, so 18 minus 1 into d is minus 3. So minus 5, a plus 17 into minus 3. So it becomes minus 5 as it is. A plus minus minus and 17 3 is 51. Now we will take minus 51 to the left hand side and it become plus, and we will find the value of a, that is 46 beta. Next part is, in that part a is minus 18.9, d is 2.5, n is missing here, and an is 3.6. Again we will use formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We will put the values. An is 3.6, a is minus 18.9, and n we have to find, so n we will write as it is, n minus 1, and d is 2.5. Now first we will take minus 18.9 to the left hand side, it become plus, and n minus 1 into 2.5. After solving them, we will get 22.5, and we will take 2.5 also in the left hand side. It is in multiplication, then it goes in divide beta, and after solving you will get 9 here. So n minus 1 is 9, then n is 9 plus 1, because we will take minus 1 to the left hand side and it become 10. Now next part is, a is 3.5, d is 0, n is 105, and we have to find an beta. So again we will use the formula and put the values. An we have to find, a is 3.5, n is 105 minus 1, it is 0. If we multiply any term with 0, then it becomes 0. So this term is 0, and an is 3.5 beta.